Good morning.
Good morning with some Russian songs, of course.
Yes. And we have got up at 2:02. There's a van waiting for us already, so we had to hurry. So this will be very quick. We're going to climb up Mount Batur.
Yeah.
So don't forget your power bank. You will be very, very sad.
Yeah.
So I'm bringing both GoPros and phone. Where we go? Okay, one quick coffee later.
Super quick.
2 bottles of water, bananas, oranges. Hopefully they also have a little something for us. And we're ready to go. It's still early. It must be 4 a.m.
You want carry egg? So because in volcano you can cooking there.
Yeah, sure, let's do it. Balinese coffee, plenty of sugar and condensed milk. We'll check in when we're halfway up the mountain.
So today, in our show, we are.
So, yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Checking in at our first stop, and this is our guide.
Hello.
Hello. What's your name?
I'm Komang.
Komang. And how far do we have to go up still?
From this start point we need just like an hour.
An hour.
Yeah.
Okay. And what time does the sun come up today?
The sunrise come up in 35:07. 35:06. Sorry.
Yeah, 6:30. Alrighty. Normally there's like hundreds of people coming up here.
Maybe like normal is maybe like 700. But
Yeah.
that's nice.
So we'll just be sharing it with the monkeys. So this is the view that awaits you. Don't want to spoil it all too much, but it's really worth it, honestly. Last time I came up here, it was my favorite thing I did in Bali, and honestly, it doesn't get old. But one thing that's different this time is all the monkeys looking for food. See if I can find them. Here they are. They're so hungry today. Hello, looking for food? What do you want? Looking for food? So I don't want to eat my banana right now, or they might attack me. I'm a little worried. Wow. Oh wow. Watch your step.
In such place, I didn't know. Wow, Sam, you should try it.
Yeah.
just for testing.
Wow.
Ready.
Oh.
Oh, careful.
I'm gonna
It's a
wash
boy.
This is dragon eggs.
Hot. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, let's leave that to cool and try it. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
Like an egg.
Okay. Mountain cooked egg.
It smells like an egg. It's 2 hours later when I feel this egg.
Всем привет! Сегодня
Мы чистим
мы
яйца.
чистим яйца. Что?
We are peeling eggs. You go first try. It's not hot.
And it tastes like an egg. All right, that's a wrap.
Yeah, it's time to go down.
What a good morning, though. So we're going down through the clouds. And is it easier or harder to go down?
It's a little bit harder.
Well done. High five. Hey guys, Sam here from the future. I just wanted to elaborate a bit on the current situation in Bali. I think it's no surprise to anyone that given the impacts on tourism in the whole world, that Bali is extremely affected right now. A lot of people are without work. Our guide, Koman, said that he hasn't been working since March, and the government unfortunately hasn't been helping him, even though he was paying taxes back when he was working. Now, I wish I could give you a happy ending, but it's an ongoing situation. So while we're here, we're committed to helping the local industry, booking local tours when they're open. And I want to show you guys what you can do when you book your next trip to Bali. Honestly, the people here are so nice, and they just can't wait to welcome tourists back. So if you've made it this far in the video, please follow us on Instagram, and we'll continue to show you the best of Bali, as well as everything you can do for your next trip here. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye, guys. We found a spot.
Polish flag.
Polish. Hang on. Now it's a Polish flag. Indonesia, Poland. Indonesia,
And
mountain.
and Malta.
Malta. Oh.